Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel UPSC Logic. This is me Rahul and today we are going to cover The Hindu for your public administration optional dated 3rd of November 2021. So we are going to start this analysis, and before starting let me tell you that you can join the Telegram channel Pubedpedia for the PDF with respect to your public administration current affairs magazine. So you can join it, and let's get started without wasting a bit of time. So here one article is there that you need to read for your public administration optional, and that is basically not article, but you can call it data point. So here in the data point you will get this thing, the best governed states in 2021. So this is the index which is released by the Public Affairs Center. So Public Affairs Index released by Public Affairs Index 2021 is being released by Public Affairs Center, and you need to use it in your answers with respect to good governance and the kind of let's say good governance or citizen centric administration, or let's say the kind of public affairs, civil services effectiveness, because here what you will find is the parameter. So if you read the parameter overall performance, there are some states insofar as the overall performance is concerned, large state, small state, and apart from that, in terms of equity, there are some states. So equity pillar analyzes the inclusiveness in the policy making. This is how you have to use the things. So now as you can see, inclusiveness in policy making, you can use it in the public policy chapter as well. When you are dealing with the public policy, you can say that whenever you are saying that policy should be inclusive, you can use this thing that public affairs index even talk about, or something like that you can mention there. Okay, and this is all about good governance. So governance is something that you can link from different thinkers perspective. Here we are talking about equity, so you can link it with the the kind of principles of management, okay, by different thinkers like Henry Fayol was there, Wilson's economy, efficiency, effectiveness was there, Taylor was talking about effectiveness or scientific management. So these are the things. New public management was also talking about this thing. Okay, so these are the things. And public policy, Ejkal Dror was talking about public policy. Like public policy was the focus of Ejkal Dror, so you can use him as well. So inclusivity in the public policy is something that makes it more beneficial for the society. So public policy analysis can be there. And apart from that, growth pillars, and there is another pillar called growth. So growth, so you must be knowing about the importance of growth. So optimal use of resources, so here we are focusing on optimality, and even public policy should be optimum in nature. Apart from that, sustainability, so equity, optimality, sustainability, these are the things. And you should read this thing insofar as the civil services effectiveness, equity, and all the things are concerned. So public affairs index released by Public Affairs Center. Apart from public affairs index, apart from this good governance sort of thing, you can also read the international civil services effectiveness index, that is also there. So you can quote these things in your questions with respect to good governance insofar as the public administration optional is concerned. And apart from that, thinkers, I told you earlier, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि वुड्रो विल्सन वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इफेक्टिवनेस, टेलर वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट scientific management and effectiveness in the work culture itself. Okay, so that is there. And apart from that, you can talk about Fayol, etc. So equity is something that is important. Equity is something that is also the part of new public administration. New public administration was talking about equity, social equity, society, there should be inclusiveness, so that is related to new public administration. Even when you are saying new public administration, the democratization or publicness is something that is the crux of new public administration. Relevance, values, equity, change, so those changes, when status quo is there, you can say bureaucratic elitism is there, but when change is there, when changes are there in the society, reforms are there in the society, you can say that government is working in a good governance manner. Okay, so in this way you can link new public administration as well. Similarly, other thinkers like even in your historical context, you can link with Ramayana. In Ramayana, Ram Rajya was there. That was nothing but good governance. Mahatma Gandhi, he was talking about Swaraj. So that is also Suraj, Swaraj, all those things are like good governance itself. So different thinkers, different theories, different ways, but ultimately you can use it insofar as the good governance is concerned. I hope you are getting. So you should keep this point public affairs index in your mind, and you can quote in your answers. I hope it will help you in your examinations. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.